Activity 5.4 on page 138, formatting a table. My Fact Sheet Tables is open. Now that you've created the table and have adjusted its general layout, you will apply a table style to change its formatting. So it shows us a screenshot of what we have now for our factor and description table. Then it shows that big downward pointing arrow, Grid Table 4 Accent 1 style, and then what our finished product will look like. So number 1, apply a style to the table. Make sure the table is still selected. So I did deselect my table, so I'm going to click anywhere inside of it and hit that table selector to highlight everything. Press Control and Spacebar, and this will remove all formatting from the table. Since you are about to apply a style, you will begin with a clean copy of the text, no direct formatting applied, as your starting point. This way, you'll ensure that only formats coming from the table style are in effect. Examine the ribbon. With the table selected, there are 2 tabs labeled Design. So we have our default design and we have our Table Tools Contextual Design tab. The one on the left side of the ribbon has been there all along, but now that you've selected a table, a new Design tab has appeared underneath the context label Table Tools. The Design and Layout tabs beneath the Table Tools context label have tools specific to tables. So we're going to click on the Design Contextual tab, and in our Table Styles group, we're going to select the More button here to expand our gallery. And letter E, we want to select the Grid Table 4 Accent 1 table style. So here we have Grid Table 4 Accent 1. We're going to click to apply that. Always make sure you have the correct name that they request. This table style has a light blue heading background and alternating rows in blue and white. I'm just going to click outside of it to deselect it. So you can see it signifies the header row with the little bit darker light blue color, and then it has the banded rows. The position of the styles in the gallery changes depending on the size of your monitor and Word application window. So you have to position the mouse over each item and wait for its name to appear. If you can't quickly find the Grid Table 4 Accent 1 style, choose another one that has rows with alternating banded colors. All right, click outside the table to deselect it. The style includes alternating row formats or banded rows, like I said. So it will go blue, white, blue. If I had more, it would go white, blue, and keep going. These can help readers scan rows of information in large tables, but can be distracting in a small table like this. So we're going to remove the banded rows. We're going to select that entire table again. We're going to go back up to our Table Tools Design Contextual tab, and in our Table Style Options group, we're going to uncheck banded rows. So you can see it no longer has the light blue rows. They're all white background now. Number 3, apply black borders to the table. In the Borders group, still on our Design Contextual tab, we're going to select the arrow beneath Borders, so our drop down here, and we're going to go down to Borders and Shading. You're going to make sure you're on your Borders tab, and under Setting, you're going to select All. And then for color, you want to select black. Mine says black text 1. And then click OK. Again, I'm going to deselect just so you can see the finished product that, well, not finished, but what we have so far. I'm going to go up to my Quick Access toolbar and click Save. We'll leave this open for the next activity.